दर्द की कोई पहचान है, जिंदगी एक मुस्कान है, दर्द की कोई पहचान है, जिंदगी एक मेहमान है, छोड़ संसार जाना पड़ेगा, जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा, जिंदगी गम का सागर भी है, इसके इस पार जाना पड़ेगा, जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा।
These lines reverberates the queen of melody, Lata ji's perspective of life. India was blessed with the queen of melody who would enthrall the nation with her honey-like voice. The iconic singer Lata Mangeshkar ji was born as Hema Mangeshkar in Indore to Marathi Konkani musician Dinanath Mangeshkar and his wife Shevanti. She began her career as an actress in Mangeshkar Senior's Marathi musical plays when she was just 5 years old. Much before India won its independence from the British Raj, Mangeshkar started her musical journey at the age of 12. She sang 2 songs in the studio for the first time for the radio in the year 1941. Ever since then, this enigmatic soul has gifted us with innumerable beautiful, evergreen and nostalgic songs like Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya, Aaj Fir Jeene Ki Tamanna, etc. She also tried her hands in composing music under the pseudonym of Anand Khan. the recipient of the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Maharashtra Bhushan Award, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna, and also the title of Officer of the National Order of the Legion of Honor, has etched her name in the hearts of all men worldwide. In a career spanning over 7 decades, she delivered memorable hits that left a mark on the Indian music industry. Her soulful music is the pride of our nation and an inspiration for the upcoming generation.
वक्त के सितम कम हंसी नहीं, आज है यहाँ कल कहीं नहीं, वक्त से परे अगर मिल गई कहीं, मेरी आवाज़ ही पहचान है, गर याद रहे नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज़ ही पहचान है, गर याद रहे।
As the pride of our nation left for her heavenly abode on 6th of February 2022, we pay our heartfelt tribute to revere the legendary veteran singer for the indelible mark she has left in our hearts.